Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo IQOO 12 Pro versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Vivo IQOO 12 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $899. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 210 gram and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 225 gram. The build: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card port. The display type: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color. The screen size: Vivo IQOO 12 Pro 6.78 inches, the Honor Magic 6 Pro 6.8 inches. The resolution of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 2K screen resolution, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density: Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 518 PPI density, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 453 PPI density. Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 144 Hz refresh rate, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 120 Hz refresh rate. Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 91.6% of screen to body ratio, and the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 89.4% screen to body ratio. The Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Chorino Glass protection. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5000 nits peak of brightness, and the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. And the camera of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup also, and with 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto with 100x digital zoom, and it records 4K 60fps video. The front camera of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it records 4K 30fps video with front camera. The platform of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the same Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with Adreno 750, and the same Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Adreno 750. Vivo IQOO 12 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Android 14 operating system. And the memory of these mobiles: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage is same: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 5100 mAh battery, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery. The Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 80 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 66 watt wireless charging, and the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro comes with 50 watt wireless charging. It comes with 5G network support. The commons and features is same, but the Vivo IQOO 12 have fingerprint under display, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro have fingerprint under display and Face ID unlocking. The result of these devices: the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro got 20 points, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 22 points.